Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been out of town for the past week, so enjoying family time on spring break with my kids up in Utah. I'm finally getting back to cleaning up the house today, so I'm going to be doing my kitchen and my dining table and my buffet. Most of the rest of the house is pretty clean, so we're just going to get started on this. This is all just kind of leftover from what was in my car, what I didn't get cleaned before I left, and what my husband didn't clean while we were gone too. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So right here is where my Himalayan salt lamp breaks. So I'm just trying to check it, see if I accidentally messed it up or anything. And then I went to my laundry room to see if I had any light bulbs that size, but I don't. So I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and get a new light bulb for that thing because I absolutely love it. son just got home from school, and as I'm finishing up the countertops, he is working on some letters that his tutor gave that he's supposed to work on, and he just needs a little bit more help. So this is just us, normal routine that we do pretty much every day, working on his letters, telling him to give himself a chance to calm down, to relax, and just take his time with them. Sometimes that's all kids need, are just to understand that they need to relax before they do schoolwork, because it can definitely be overwhelming for them. So I don't have any end shots of this video because by the time I was done cleaning, my older son, was outside riding his bike, and he wanted me to come outside to record him doing wheelies. He ended up pulling back too far on one and falling straight onto his tailbone. So we had a little bit of an emergency. We didn't go to the doctor or anything. We're going to see how he feels tomorrow. But he's acting fine now, luckily, and it was just a pretty traumatic experience for him and myself. Mostly him, but me, just because it was not fun. Never a fun thing to hear your child scream like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys are motivated to get what you need to done. And hope to see you guys around. Like and comment if you'd like. Bye, guys.